action.
How can you say action when my director is here? Okay, do the honors.
Action!
Hello, I'm Sparsh Srivastava along with my director Kiran Rao and writer Divyanidhi Sharma, and here we're discussing about the most lovable scene of the film, so let's hear it.
सजनी रे कैसे कटे दिन रात, कैसे मिले तेरा साथ, तेरी याद सतावे रे।
इंग्लिश बोल के बताएं। कल हम कूलर के मोटर की बाइंडिंग करा के आए।
चलो क्या है?
पूरा नहीं है, पर हमारे घर में इतना भी बस हम ही बोल पाते हैं। फुल इंग्लिश बोल के बताएं।
That gathering of courage is just the most beautiful performance.
I love you.
ओ सजनी रे कैसे कटे दिन रात, कैसे हो तुझसे बात, तेरी याद।
We don't mind watching the whole film actually.
Oh my God! How I fought to keep it as long as possible for you. You know, when you look back after she smiles, it's such a sweet smile of relief. He's भोंदू, like goofy type, daft also, लेकिन इतना strong भी character है। क्या सोच के play किया आपने?
कुछ नहीं ma'am, I just wanted to experiment with this. The best thing that happened to me in the entire film was this scene. Why? Because I am sitting here, here is my pool, and behind me is just the empty vast khet and no camera at all because you were here sitting with the camera and the monitor. I was completely there. For me, this is just the pool and the land behind, so I cannot see the camera. So I completely believed in this space that okay, Deepak and pool are actually there. So that honesty comes from this moment.
जो एक तरह से you found that like the soul of that character.
Oh. Definitely. जो vulnerability उस character की
and strength at the same time.
I remember when I gave my first take of I Love You and I saw your face. I still remember that expression. I cannot forget that throughout my life.
What was
that expression said, okay, I have not imagined this scene happening like this.
I had always imagined that he's kind of nervous because he's never done this before. He's not sure how she's going to react. I remember telling you that just do it like I felt. My recollection of it was the fear of कि वो क्या करेगी, थप्पड़ मारेगी, क्या करेगी. I mean, I remember not expecting what you actually did to be the way it was, and I remember thinking this is just so genius. It was so perfect because there was that almost like he's constipated, you know. He's like he can't. How do I tell her? Like, you know, oh my God.
Because the words, because if you see the words, they're saying I love you. It's such a romantic conversation. But that expression on my face is of anger or something.
Yeah.
I love you.
Yeah.
Finally, I'm getting it out of my system.
Yeah.
3 दिन से सोच रहा हूँ. I come from Deepak's world. I grew up in North Indian villages and small towns. तो मेरे मोहल्ले में सचमुच एक भैया थे जो लोग को इंग्लिश बोल के बताएं. तो ये एग्जैक्ट लाइन कूलर की मोटर की बाइंडिंग करा रहे थे. तो seriously, I remembered it from my childhood कि हाँ इम्प्रेस करने के लिए ना कूलर की मोटर की बाइंडिंग करा के आए. अरे तो बहुत इंग्लिश बोलते हैं.
Unusual line to say because you don't hear such words. कूलर के मोटर की बाइंडिंग
करा के आ रहे हैं.
It's crazy.
We brought Divyanidhi on to a screenplay that Sneha had already written because we really felt like Divya could bring a lot of the richness of the language of the region, a lot of the humor of that dialect, and also to kind of work a little bit on the characters, especially of Manohar, the policeman, some of the other smaller characters. Of course, he created Bela Ji, one of my favorite characters in the film.
She was not in the film?
No. So Divi has a particular way of working. When he jumps in, he just starts writing. और वो पूरी फिल्म को एक अपने ही ब्रश से पेंट करने की कोशिश करते हैं और शुरुआत वो उस तरह से करते हैं. He doesn't come कि ये मैं ऐसे ऐसे ठीक करूँगा. वो पूरे पूरी तरह से स्क्रिप्ट को
सजा देते हैं.
हाँ, वो लिखना फिर से लिखना शुरू कर देते हैं.
Because you were hired, मतलब by ma'am, to write Manohar first, right?
Yeah.
So that Pan angle of Manohar,
वाह, बहुत सुंदर है बे.
was it your edition or your edition? Who
पान
was it?
एंगल तो मेरे ख्याल रवि जी का एडिशन होगा वो तो.
We did that was something we did as character, like what his character is going to be like.
Okay.
It was one of the ideas that Amir had quite early on
ओ या,
for the role.
क्योंकि पहले आमिर सर करने वाले थे मनोहर प्ले.
माने कि 27 तारीख को हमारा गंगापुर की फूल कुमारी
खूबसूरत है. चोर नहीं हो पर शादीशुदा हो, भागी भी हो
अपने पति
जया 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 है.
So Amir said, I want to chew pan, and I thought it would be great, but I was always worried about how dialogue would come through.
Oh, yeah?
चबाते चबाते बहुत मुश्किल होती है, और फिर आपका वो एक continuity के issues हो जाते हैं कि पान था नहीं था.
Right.
But anyway, ultimately we know that Pan won the
Pan won the
that
पान
one.
मेड इट अ पान इंडिया
Absolutely.
फिल्म. जैसे कोई मुझसे पूछता है मनोहर के कैरेक्टर के बारे में, तो उसके लिए मैंने एक्चुअली बहुत रिसर्च की है. 40 साल रिसर्च की है. मेरे फादर यूपी पुलिस में
40
थे.
साल?
मेरे फादर यूपी पुलिस में थे. आई ग्रू अप इन दोज लिविंग इन दोज स्मॉल टाउन पुलिस स्टेशंस, सो आई हैव ऑब्जर्व्ड दैट लाइफ फ्रॉम वेरी क्लोज क्वार्टर्स.
Let's make it a headline. लापता ladies took 40 years to write.
Really?
इस सीन को पूरी दुनिया ने, हर एक जनता ने, हर एक एज की जनता ने प्यार दिया है. आप क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
एक वो ऐसा सीन है जो किसी तरह से दिल को छू लेती है, उस टाइप की सीन है ना. इट्स लाइक वन ऑफ दोज सीन्स दैट you really feel so fond and warm towards these characters, and it really touches you. तो मुझे लगा कि it has a quality, I think,
you're
of
right, because this sets the whole tone of what Deepak and Phool's relation is. That innocence, वो पूरी एक सीन में हमें समझ आ जाता है.
और वो इनोसेंस हर लेवल पे ट्रांसलेट होती गई, कागज से
Yes.
स्क्रीन तक, एक्टिंग से, हर लेवल पे इतना खूबसूरत निकल कर आया. क्या किया यार.
thank you for this
Thank you.
beautiful moment.
Thank you for
in
executing
cinema.
it. Thank you for acting it like the way you did.
Thank you.
It's a
हम लोग सब आपस में ऐसे ही करते रहते
no,
हैं.
it's such a, if we didn't have that moment, you wouldn't have a scene. So thank you for writing it.
But a bigger thank you goes to the audience,
Oh, absolutely.
जिन्होंने इसको उतना ही प्यार दिया जितने प्यार से
Thank
हमने
you.
इसको परफॉर्म किया. So thank you and I love you. And I love you. And I
I
love
love
you.
you.
I love you.
I love you.
So guys, if you have loved this conversation, please like, share and subscribe to Amir Khan Talkies.